Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More, back with another fix and flip video. This house we just completed, actually listed it, and it's under contract already. I was in Disneyland last week, so I didn't get a video to you sooner. But we'll walk through this house, show you all the numbers, what we repaired, what we fixed up, and all that good stuff. Make sure you check out investformore.com for more information on my flips and everything else that is going on. And yeah, we'll get started on this one. I bought this for $192,000 from the MLS a few months ago. House was listed. We took a look at it right away, made an offer right away. Ended up getting it for $192,000. So, along with getting the house, I made a real estate commission because I'm an agent, get the buyer's commission, so that's 3%. And then we walked through paint, flooring, fixtures, kitchen, bath work. Probably ended up spending about $30,000 on the rehab. I had one of my hourly handyman doing most of the work, so that saves me a bunch of money. Probably another $15,000 in financing and carrying costs. And we listed it for $279,900. And the first day after that, we had an offer above full price, and it is now under contract. So as you can see, refinished the hardwood floors. If you check out the before video, you'll see they had all kinds of tile and weird stuff. We did not know if we could save these, but we did end up saving them. Little spots right here that look kind of weird, but not horrible. Painted everything, new doors as well. Here's the bathroom that we redid. Retiled everything, new toilet, vanity, mirrors, all that. This flooring we actually bought at Home Depot. It was some stuff they're trying to get rid of, and they gave it to us super cheap. Not sure how much I like it, but we tried it for the first time in this house. 3 bedrooms upstairs. One bath upstairs. And there's the 3rd bedroom. Here's the kitchen that we redid as well. As you can see, we use that flooring in here too. I mean, it's okay. Not my favorite. These are in stock Home Depot hickory cabinets. Usually we do a different brand. I always forget what they're called. We used to do Kitchen Compact. We don't use those anymore. It's a different line, but it takes 2 or 3 weeks to get them in. And we went with these just to get them quicker. And our contractor made those counters, which I'm not a huge fan of the laminate with kind of the wood front, but it actually goes really well with these cabinets. So I guess it's okay. But yeah, backsplash, sink, appliances, all of that is new. Head downstairs. Had to do a lot of work down here. If you look at the before video, I'll have a link to that in the description, but they had like 2x4s for trim on the ceiling over plywood. It was really crazy. So tore all that out, re-drywalled what we had to. There was some drywall behind a lot of it, so that was nice, saved us some money. New carpet. Again, this is Home Depot carpet. We buy in bulk, which saves us a ton of money. 1 bedroom there. And 1 bedroom here. Everyone always asks about the windows. These bedrooms were already here. The basement was finished when we bought it. So per Colorado law, you don't have to have egress windows to call it a bedroom if it was grandfathered in. If we put the bedroom in, we'd have to put egress windows in. But per law, we can still call a bedroom without the egress windows. Here's this bathroom, which we redid as well, using up as much of that flooring as we can. And the shower. And the laundry room. That floor works great for laundry rooms, looks pretty good. But we cleaned things up in here, painted it, made it look a lot nicer than it did before. Furnace, hot water heater back there. All right, so that's the house. Should work out to be a great deal. Using my own crew saves a ton of money because I pay him hourly, and I know he's always working for me. Hard to like delegate exactly how much he spent on this house because he's doing a bunch of other stuff for us too, helping out in the new office, helping out some rentals, doing all kinds of things. So it's hard to say, hey, we paid him, 200 hours of work here, whatever it was. But we're guessing around that $30,000 figure for everything. That's the house. We'll have more videos coming up here soon as I bought another house while we were in Disney and some other houses that will be fixed up and ready to list as well. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out Invest for more information. My flips, rentals, all that good stuff. And please leave a comment below if you have any questions and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video.